starting this video by downloading the Java's JDK. I've just downloaded. Let's open this. Click on yes, and it's getting installed. I'm currently installing Java's JDK so that my Java programs will run in the command prompt. Every week of a student starts by planning to do a lot of different things. In the same way, I also plan to practice programming regularly, listen to some online lectures, follow some healthy habits, etc. But you'll see how far I've got through all these in this video. If you don't know me, hello there, I'm Sumaira Anjum, studying second year diploma in HCET Guntur, and as you've already known the concept of this video, without any further delay, let's get started! So there you go, my first Java program. Hello world is executed. Yay. Let's keep on doing this Java practice session. Coding is a process of writing a solution for a particular problem in the form of a code. In this process, we make a lot of mistakes and get errors, but rectifying those errors and making an accurate code as a solution for the problem is the ultimate task. When we talk about our real life is filled with a lot of challenges and different tasks for us to do. Different problems for which we need to find solution. It is us who have to code our life without any errors. Talking in a diploma student's perspective, it is important to learn new things and skills regularly and maintain that consistency with studies as well as practice. But sometimes we all become so busy with this dunya that we end up being lazy and skip our healthy habits. This is what happened with me in the past few weeks. I was just going to college for attendance, attending the classes, making a little bit of notes, and that's it. I planned a lot of new habits like eating healthy, drinking a cup of milk daily, studying regularly, and a lot of productive things, but all these stayed up for 1 or 2 days. Like, you have always seen me being productive, studying, and you have seen that good side of me on this channel. But as a human, I also sometimes become lazy, forget all these, and just live my life normally. The thing which I was missing these days was learning, studying, revising. I was missing that me time to learn and understand the concepts clearly and fix it in my brain. What I'm trying to say is that these unproductive days are like some small semicolon type of errors in our life which can be rectified easily. It's just that we need to make a positive mindset to work towards our goals and dreams. It's okay to have a few lazy days, but if we look back and think of them, it feels that we have wasted a lot of time and it feels like lazy days are just useless. So let's all make every day a special one and do things which take us one step forward each day towards our goal. I can't believe that 1 month has already passed since we've joined 4th semester, and so I've got some new textbooks, and our classes started going on as usually. Listening is the process of receiving message from speaker, processing the message. And as I've already mentioned, these days I've been being busy with making notes. Talking about making notes are something which we make to study for exams. We all have textbooks for our subjects, but notes are made to write down things which we have understood. We don't write each and everything which is in the textbook in our exam. So we make these short notes which will be helpful to study for the exams. A notebook must contain different topics of our syllabus with precise matter regarding the topic with examples, diagrams, etc. If you have seen my exam session wala video, I've told you that before the exam we have to understand the concept of each and every topic and frame a good answer to write in the exam. So that framing of answer can be done at this time and we can write that answer in our notes so that we won't have burden before the exam. So that's what I'm using from this semester. I mean, I'm framing a nice answer before itself and I'm writing it in my notebook itself, and that's what I'm gonna study before the exams. You see, a specific topic must contain side heading and definition of the topic, its advantages, disadvantages, or whatever it may be, whatever that topic is related to, you need to write that under the side heading of that topic. For example, I've given a question to write about classes in Java. So first of all, I wrote the definition, its classification, I mean what the class contains, syntax of a class, and an example. This is how I break down an answer into more manageable parts so that whenever the examiner looks at my paper, he understands that, yeah, this person knows what the topic is about. And wherever needed, you can draw some impressive diagrams and flowcharts, and you can also categorize different definitions by differentiating them in the form of tables. So these are small presentable ways of presenting your answer which can really help you in gaining good marks. So I hope this one was helpful. Make sure you follow this method of making notes. It will really help you in your exams. Hello everyone, it's time to study maths because tomorrow we have maths exam and this is the first time I'm using my maths textbook. Okie dokie, let's try to complete all my syllabus. Junaid Sara, please ज़रा sound कम करो, नहीं तो बाहर जाओ रूम के, मैं maths करने बैठती हूँ please. So I took out my textbook and practice book and started practicing maths for the test which is gonna be conducted tomorrow, I mean the next day. But this practice session didn't go on for a long time. As I told you, I was not that productive this week, so this practice session also didn't go on that good. So yeah, sometimes it happens with me also. I'm not always perfect, but it's just that I always try to learn from my mistakes, and that's what I hope you all also to do.